To use the Whoop Sleep Coach, start by opening the Whoop app on your mobile device and navigating to the Sleep section. The Sleep Coach is a personalized feature that provides tailored recommendations to improve the quality of your sleep. First, ensure your Whoop strap is properly synced with the app, as this will allow the Sleep Coach to access your sleep data. Once synced, the app will begin to track your sleep patterns, including duration, quality, and stages of sleep. The Sleep Coach uses this data to identify areas for improvement and provide actionable advice. For example, if the Sleep Coach detects that you are consistently waking up during the night, it may suggest establishing a relaxing bedtime routine or creating a sleep-conducive environment. To get the most out of the Sleep Coach, it is essential to set realistic goals and track your progress over time. The app allows you to set targets for sleep duration, consistency, and quality, and provides daily reminders and motivational messages to help you stay on track. In addition to personalized recommendations, the Sleep Coach also offers educational content and tips on sleep hygiene, such as avoiding caffeine and electronics before bedtime, and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. By following the guidance of the Whoop Sleep Coach and making small changes to your daily habits, you can improve the quality of your sleep and wake up feeling rested and refreshed. Regularly review your sleep data and adjust your strategies as needed to achieve optimal results.